The best thing I do is, meaning, the very first action I take. Example, the best thing I do is brush my teeth after I wake up. That's why, meaning, for that reason. Example, she studied hard, that's why she passed the exam. That because, meaning, the reason is. Example, he is late, that because he missed the bus. As long as, meaning, if only if something happen. Example, I will help you as long as you try your best. Unless, meaning, except if. Example, we can't start unless everyone is here. By the time, meaning, before or at the moment something happens. Example, by the time she finished work, it was done. Not only, but also, meaning, two things are true. Example, the trip was not only fun but also educational. Either or, meaning, one of two choices. Example, you can either call me or send me a message. Neither no, meaning, not this and not that. Example, she likes neither coffee nor tea. Here is, meaning, I am giving, showing you. Example, here is the book you asked for. That explain, meaning, now I understand the reason. Example, that explain the strange noise I heard. That reminds me, meaning, this make me remember something. Example, that reminds me of my childhood. What I mean is, meaning, I want to explain more clearly. Example, what I mean is you should try again. What I am trying to say is, meaning, let me explain my idea more clearly. Example, what I am trying to say is we can fix this problem. Speaking of, meaning, when we are talking about. Example, speaking of school, we have a test tomorrow. Thanks for, meaning, I appreciate what you did. Example, thanks for helping me yesterday. Congratulations on, meaning, well done for. Example, congratulations on winning the competition. Good luck with, meaning, I hope you succeed in. Example, good luck with your exam tomorrow. Take care of, meaning, look after. Example, take care of yourself when you are sick. Keep on, meaning, continue doing. Example, keep on practicing and you will improve. Feel free to, meaning, you can do this if you want. Example, feel free to use my computer. Be careful with, meaning, use cautious about. Example, be careful with that knife. Watch out for, meaning, be alert about possible danger. Example, watch out for the cars when crossing the street. Don't be, don't be shy, meaning, do not act in that way. Example, don't be shy, introduce yourself. Stop, stop worrying, meaning, do not continue doing that. Example, stop worrying and relax. Let me, Let me check. Meaning, allow me to do it. Example, let me explain how this max problem works. Let's not. Meaning, we should not do this. Example, let's not forget to submit our homework on time. Why not? Meaning, a suggestion. Example, why not try a different methods to solve the question? Who is? Meaning, asking about a person identity. Example, who is responsible for organizing the event? Where is? Meaning, asking about the place or location. Example, where is the nearest library? In next tutorial, I will bring you English speaking practice lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notifications and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.